TikTok Lite unfortunately stopped and it keeps on crashing. So here's a few things. So I'll give you four tips that you can do, four things that you can do. First thing is update your phone. Just update your phone because sometimes new updates need so your phone doesn't crash that much. Just update your phone or update the app itself. Those are the two things that you need to do. Second thing, just go to the app, click on the me and click on the three dots and then click on settings and privacy. After pressing on that, just go down and click on free up space. Then click on right there all data, then click on clear. After doing that, there you go. It will now refresh and I think this will help. But if it doesn't help, there's a third method. The third method is you can just what do you call this? We can just go to your settings. So we're gonna go to settings. Here at our settings, you will see apps. Press on apps. After pressing on apps right there, you will see app management. After pressing on app management right there, there you go. Just search in TikTok Lite. Wait, we're just gonna wait for a few seconds. Sorry guys, so I'm just gonna pause the video. See you guys on next later. And as you can see right now, we just need to click on TikTok Lite. After pressing on TikTok Lite right there, then once you're here, click on storage usage. Then you see here clear cache. If clear cache doesn't work, I suggest clicking on clear data. There you go. After pressing on clear data, just clear the data. Easy as that. So yeah, there you go. And for the last step is just restart your phone. Sometimes you just need a quick restart your phone. Just need a quick restart. If all else fails, you can contact the TikTok support. Or you can type it in the function below guys and we'll be happy to answer as soon as possible. And there you go guys. See you guys on the next one and thank you guys.